Welcome to Commerce class. Today we are going to see Unit 2 Financial Market. In that we are going to see about money market. Now, before we could go, let us see what is the definition given for money market according to Crowther. Here, Crowther says that the money market is a collective name given to the various firms and institutions that deal in the various grades of near money. So this is the definition that he gives for money market. Okay, so it is a collective name he gives. It is a name which is given collectively and to various firms. Abdina, it is not that only one firm or one institution that is involved here. நிறைய firms இருக்கு அதுல நிறைய institutions இருக்கும். இந்த firms and institutions என்ன எதுல deal பண்றாங்க அப்படின்னா various grades of near money அப்படின்னு சொல்றாங்க. Near money அப்படிங்கும்போது it is not that the ordinary money that they are referring to அப்படின்னா ordinary money அப்படின்னா it consists of coins, currency notes, அல்லது demand deposits in the bank, all these we call it as money. But near money அப்படிங்கும்போது it includes financial assets அப்படின்னா like time deposits, bill of exchange, bonds அல்லது share இதுதான் வந்து near money அப்படின்னு சொல்றாங்க. அப்படின்னா இந்த மணி மார்க்கெட்ல we are going to deal with all these different types of instruments which have high liquidity. So இதை பத்தி தான் இந்த மணி மார்க்கெட்ல நம்ம வந்து படிக்க போறோம். We are going to look into it. Okay, so once again it is a collective name given to the various firms and institutions that deal in the various grades of near money. Near money representing in the form of financial assets like time deposit, bill of exchange, bond, shares. That is what is called as near money. Okay, next we shall see what are the various characteristics of money market. Money market அப்படினு சொல்றோம் இல்லையா அப்படினா என்ன? It is a market for short term fund அப்படிங்கறாங்க. அப்போ short termக்கு ஒரு குறுகிய காலம். அப்ப அந்த short term அப்படிங்கிறது வந்து period less than 1 year. 1 yearக்கு மேல இல்ல but less than 1 yearக்குள்ளார தேவையான fund உங்களுக்கு வேண்டிய அந்த fund கிடைக்கக்கூடிய அந்த இடம் பேரு தான் money market சொல்றாங்க. Okay, அப்ப இவங்க எதுல டீல் பண்றாங்க அப்படின்னா they deal with financial assets and securities. So what they say, money market is a market for short-term funds which deals with financial assets and securities. Okay, so this is what is a money market. Next we'll see what are the components. The money marketல யாரெல்லாம் இருக்காங்க அப்படினு பார்த்தா those who are involved: central bank, commercial bank, companies, non-banking financial institutions, discount house and acceptance house. இவங்க எல்லாருமே தான் இந்த மணி மார்க்கெட்ல காம்பனன்ட்ஸா இருக்காங்க. இவங்க எல்லாருமே சேர்ந்து தான் நம்ம வந்து மணி மார்க்கெட்ல ஃபார்ம் ஆறாங்க. நம்ம வந்து previously we saw that it is a collective name given to various firms and institutions அப்படிங்கிற ஒரு வேர்ட் படிச்சோம் இல்லையா? So they are all the one who was forming the component of this money market. Okay, next sub market. இந்த money marketல வந்து sub market இருக்கு. அது வந்து ஒரே ஒரு மார்க்கெட்டை பத்தி மட்டும் சொல்றது இல்ல. Sub markets யாரெல்லாம் இருக்காங்கன்னா call money market, acceptance market and then bill market. Now all of them form different markets here. So call money market, acceptance market and bill market. All of them are sub markets of money market. Next, இது யார் nerve center அது முக்கியமான ஒரு இடத்தை ஹோல்ட் பண்றாங்க அப்படின்னா கமர்ஷியல் பேங்க் தான் இதுல வந்து முக்கியமான ஒரு பொசிஷனை ஹோல்ட் பண்றாங்க. Why அப்படின்னு பார்த்தா because they are the supplier of short term finance and they link central bank and various segments of money market. So இவங்க ஷார்ட் டேர்ம் ஃபைனான்ஸ் சப்ளை பண்றது மட்டும் இல்ல, சென்ட்ரல் பேங்க் வந்து மற்ற மணி மார்க்கெட் செக்மெண்ட்ஸோட இவங்க என்ன பண்றாங்க, லிங்க் பண்றாங்க, பாலமா இருக்கிறாங்க. they act as a bridge. So only they tell that the commercial bank is a nerve center. So we saw three subheadings here. One, components. Who are the members here? What we saw is this, all the banks, that is the central commercial bank, company, non-banking financial institution, discount house and acceptance house. Then what are the various sub-market? Call money market, acceptance market and bill market are the sub-markets of this money market. Then they tell the nerve center is a commercial bank because they not only provide finance but they act as a link between the reserve bank as well as the various segments of the money market. Okay, we shall proceed now. Next one, the money market pattharna, there is no formal place, there is no particular place, that is to say that you can get it. So transactions is done through phones or documents exchanged subsequently. So phone மூலமா எல்லா பேச்சுவார்த்தைகளும் முடிச்சுக்கலாம் over the phone, and subsequently அதுக்கப்புறமா if everything is finalized, then the documents change hand. Then flexibility, there is great flexibility in regularity framework. அவங்களோட அந்த working environmentல வந்து there is a lot of flexibility. So constant efforts are taken to introduce new instruments. புது instruments வந்து introduce பண்றதுக்கு அவங்களுக்கு flexibility and the working environment is there. So there is flexibility in regularity framework. So constant efforts are there to introduce new instruments. Next, conversion of cash. In the money market வந்து high liquidity market. Liquidity na assets are converted to cash readily. Not only that, அந்த convert பண்ணும்போது அங்க அவங்களுக்கு வந்து loss இருக்காது, and transaction cost வந்து ரொம்ப கம்மி. So they say conversion of cash is done very quickly and there is no loss when the conversion take place from the asset to cash, and the cost of transaction is very less. Next topic is wholesale market. ஏன் இது wholesale market அப்படின்னு சொல்றாங்கன்னா, the volume of transaction, that is the volume, that is the amount traded here is very large. So the volume and fund traded is very large, so they tell it as a wholesale market. So here we are seeing 4 subheadings, that is there is no formal place, so transaction take place over the phone and then subsequently the documents exchange hands. There is flexibility in regularity framework, so you can introduce new instruments, and then conversion of cash can be done very quickly and there is no loss in when conversion take place, and the transaction cost also is very less, and the volume of funds traded here is very large, so they call it as a wholesale market. Okay, what are the various instruments? Okay, we are going to see what are the various instruments which are traded here. One is the treasury bill, next one is money at call and short notice, commercial bill and promissory note, certificate of deposit, interbank participation certificate, and repo instruments. Now all these are the examples of instruments that are traded in the money market. So these are the instruments. So we saw what are the characteristics of money market. Money market it deals with financial assets and securities where the maturity period is less than 1 year. Components is both the bank, then various firms and institutions like company, non-banking financial institution, discount house and acceptance house. Sub-market is there for the money market. They are called money market, acceptance market and bill market, and the commercial bank வந்து nerve centerங்கறாங்க, ஏன்னா it supplies short-term fund and it is linking the central bank and the various segments of the money market. Then there is no formal place, you can over the counter you can do the transaction, and it is highly flexible, so the constant effort is there to introduce new instruments regularly, and conversion to cash very quickly with less cost transaction, and the volume of fund traded is very large. So these are the characteristics of money market. And the instruments traded here are treasury bill, money at call and short notice, commercial bill and promissory note, certificate of deposit, interbank participation certificate, and repo instruments. We shall see about all these instruments in detail. Thank you, children.